know that TikTok paid out over $1 billion to creators last year? Or that you can start making money with just few viral videos even if you are not famous? If I've ever wondered how people turn TikTok into a paycheck, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it too. Getting monetized on TikTok is a dream for many creators, and I'm here to guide you through it. With TikTok explosive growth, it becomes a gold mine to those who know how to tap into its potential. Imagine turning your creativity into a steady income stream. It's not just a possibility, but a reality to many. But let's face this, getting monetized on TikTok isn't a walk in the park. One of the biggest hurdles is meeting the eligibility requirement, which can be tough, especially to new creators. You have to be at least 18 years old, have at least 1,000 followers, and have 1,000 views in the past 30 days. But it's not just about the requirements. There is still the challenge of standing out in the crowded space with millions of active users. The competition is super strong. Another challenge is creating content that resonates with your audience. You need to find your niche and produce high quality content that keeps your viewers engaged. This requires a deep understanding of your audience and what they like to see. Many creators also struggle with consistency. It's easy to get caught up with the idea of I'm creating content, but it's super hard to maintain that momentum over time. Put strategies in place to keep your content fresh, engaging, and continuously grow your audience. And for this strategy to be put in place, you need to experiment different content formats, interacting with your viewers, and staying up to date with the latest trends. To increase your followers and engagement, like I said initially, you need to create content that resonates with your audience. You need to understand what they like to see, and as well produce high quality content that keeps them engaged. One strategy to use is trending challenges and hashtags, which increases visibility, and as well collaboration. You need to collaborate with other creators so that you can reach a wider audience. Another effective strategy is to leverage TikTok's algorithm for visibility. When I say leverage, I mean understanding how the algorithm works and using it for your perfection. For example, your posting time. You need to post content at the right time so that it can attract your views and engagement. Also, you need to use this TikTok feature to increase your views and engage with your audience, such as reaction video and duet video. To fasten the monetization process, you need to take few key roles, and the most important is to join the TikTok Creator Fund, which allows you to earn money or to make money from your views, engagement, likes, and the eligibility criteria is having about 10,000 followers and having 100,000 watch hours in the past 30 days. And another way of making money is to utilize brands partnership. This involves by working with sponsored content or promoting products on your video. Another essential step is to optimize your profile to make it easy for brands to find and contact you. You need to make sure your profile is clear and your contact information is up to date. You can also use TikTok feature such as branded content feature to disclose sponsored content and comply with FTC regulations. In summary, getting monetized on TikTok requires combination of creativity, consistency, and strategy. If you combine these 3 strategies I listed, trust me, you will go very far in TikTok monetization, and before you know it, you'll be eligible for monetization. Always remember, consistency is the key. So what about you? What's your monetization journey been like? Share your experience in the comment section below. If this video helped you, hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel for more simple tricks and tips. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.